Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're doing fried ramen. See it from start to finish. First, little intro. And then we go get ingredients. Bring you focusing down. I have the other camera that's focusing right where I'm going to be chopping and everything. And we're just going to do it all in one take. I have to be off to take care of my daughter because she just got done with an operation. This is how you make a fast fried ramen. This is what we need. Top ramen. Best to use good water. So I'm going to use my filtered water for getting everything going here. While I'm getting my other ingredients, we're going to do a little bit of warming on the water. All we're doing right now is partially cooking the ramen, because if you fry it dry, it isn't going to work. It has to be nice and supple. We're not even out to cook it. We'll break out our little 2-minute timer. Do it 1.5 minutes or so on each side, just so that we get it partially cooked. So we grab some things out of the fridge, which will be a carrot, some celery, and an onion if I can find one. If I can't, I will use, I got broccoli. Why don't I put some broccoli in here? Just to make it look nice and fun. You can use frozen vegetables or fresh vegetables with this concoction of mine. Tomatillos fresh from the market, so we're gonna throw some of those in. And I'm not finding any onion anywhere. Actually, I do have onions. There they are, hiding on me. Now we have all of our ingredients right there. Also, what was I going to show you? I was going to share something. Save on plastics. Reusable vegetable bags. I've tried them out. They're working pretty nice. I got those over at the Family Bargain Grocery Outlet. We're almost done with the 2 minutes for the ramen. And let's flip it. Doesn't have to be perfect. Wash the carrot. This is an organic carrot. Doesn't really need a whole lot of washing. I was using this earlier. Uncle Bill is quite busy today. Yeah. I have to go empty some surgical drains here shortly. And when you're in a rush, that's when you make mistakes. There's probably going to be plenty of mistakes in this video here. It shall be fun though. Do not peel tomatillos with wet hands, because what happens is all the paper starts to stick to the tomatillo. Wipe them down, wash them off. There's that. Broccoli. Onion doesn't need to be washed. A lot of banging of cabinets here today. That should be plenty of onion. Take the outer layer off. We'll just set that aside. That's done. Cutting up the onions. Get my fry pan ready here. To get an Asian flavor, it's good to use coconut oil. This is another secret right here. Maggi seasoning instead of soy sauce. We'll use a tablespoon approximately of coconut oil. It doesn't have to be exact. Nobody's keeping score. Coconut oil is good for you. Yum. Start this one up getting warm. Add our onion in there. You can use vegetables in whatever portion you like. I like lots of vegetables, lots of oil, lots of goodness. Probably going to eat some of this carrot while I'm cooking. Kind of like Graham Kerr, except Graham Kerr used to drink the sherry while he was cooking. There we go. Just get everything in bite-sized chunks so it can be eaten easily. This can be drained, and I just drain it, all set, ready to be fried. Tomatillo's almost ready to be fried. Plenty of veggies in there. I probably could have done 2 things of noodles for this amount of veggies, but we're trying to cut down on our carbs. This is actually camper tongs from, where did I get these? GSI Outdoors. Get a nice little coating of coconut oil on the vegetables. As soon as these onions start to turn a little bit, that's when we'll throw in our noodles. While I'm doing that, I'm going to get my rice ready because I want to have a little bit of rice with this, and we're going to use white glass. There we are, rice. Warm that up. It does not take very long to actually do the frying of the ramen. Vegetables take more time than the ramen does. Now we can add the ramen. That easy. Lower down the heat so that I don't burn anything now. Time for the magic Maggi seasoning. Here we go, Maggi. Try not to, there we go, Maggi seasoning. Doesn't need a lot. We can even add a little bit more with a couple of squirts of Patisse fish sauce. The coconut oil gives it a real nice flavor also. You want to use coconut oil, not regular cooking oil. We already got a little bit of sticking here, even though this is a non-stick pan. Get a nice little coating on the noodles. Yum. Doesn't that look delicious? This is one of my favorite quick lunches. Over to the microwave, because microwaves are essential in cooking. Normally I would have the rice come straight out of the rice cooker, but the rice cooker is not warm right now, because this was from the other day. You can have this and save some for later. I mean, this is going to be a very big lunch. This is enough to serve 4 people if you use rice, or you could serve 2 people. Well, it depends on how big you want to make your portions. 4 people being very conservative. 1 carrot, a couple sprigs of broccoli, tomatillos, whatever else you're going to throw in there, and we're going to call that done. Oh, rice is plenty warm now. This was a trick I was taught at a Chinese restaurant, and they laughed like crazy because I thought it was so magical that they had the, I go, how, you know, what sort of magical thing do you use to make those well-shaped rice domes? You know, I thought there was a special tool. What it is it's the cup. You just take a cup, you spoon the rice in. Let's get that out of the way. We will find where my tongs are, and we're gonna plate. Let's put some over here. Put some of this on. Didn't have to make that big of a mess. I'm gonna be eating good this afternoon. Need my energy. Gonna be walking a mile over to my daughter's house and gonna help her out for the afternoon. There you have it. Nice and easy, yummy, and delicious. Oh wow, I forgot how big these, look at the noodles, aren't they fun? Oh, I love fried ramen. This makes regular ramen, which you can get over at the Dollar Tree for $1 still for 5 of them. So that's 20 cents worth of ramen. And oh, that is so delicious. One thing that you want to be careful of, you notice I didn't add very much maji. You can always add more soy sauce after it's cooked, but you can never take it away. And if you put too much soy sauce and too much fish sauce, it will overpower your dish. This is so delicious. Guess what, folks? I have to turn you off now. Love you all. Have a great day. If you have any questions, leave them down below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell on your way out. I love you all. Bye-bye. Oh, wow, this is so good. So good. Yum. Doesn't that look delicious?